Goko ni kwa Kikuyu podcast. Maitho mothe muthenya wa umuthi maretio kuria Supreme Court. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, umuthi neguo Supreme Court iratuithania shira wa Rigathi wa Gachagua. Neguo Supreme Court ikoyana mwerekera. No mwerekera uria Supreme Court iraheana ti wa kana Rigathi wa Gachagua was impeached legally kana illegally. Mwerekera uria Supreme Court iraheana muthenya wa umuthi ni atiriri. Bench ya jaji atatu aria mamurirwo ni Justice Philomena Mwilu kana yale lawful kana unlawful, kana yale constitutional kana unconstitutional. Jaji cio atatu mamurirwo ni Philomena Mwilu kana panel ya jaji atatu mari Justice Eric Ogola, Anthony Mulema na Fred Mugabi. Remember guys, jaji atatu nio maugire atiriri Kithure Kindiki aikarire giti kiu kana oe ithenya riu ria deputy president kana giti kiu wetige koke vacant aikarire giti kiu ciro ugithikagiririo. The big question is, what if igotire riu gatiriri panel iyo yobirwo ni Philomena Mwilu yari unconstitutional? Remember, andore mathire kana ciro uyu kana lawyers ari Rigathi wa Gachagua hena argument matwarire mbere wa igoti, and the argument was number 1, panel ino ndiabatie kumbwo ni deputy chief justice tondu Philomena Mwilu ni deputy chief justice. They argue that panel ino yabatie kwikirwo hau ni chief justice mwenyewe Martha Koome. Okay, kwina argument egi matwarite, na argument yo yari atiriri niki panel ino ya chief justice ya murirwo we Saturday na te muthenya wa wira, no igoti ni yaugire atiriri kana kiuga atiriri ati panel teno no yubwo we Saturday na no meke mishamani yao through electronically, that is. But muthenya wa umuthi jaji aya kana Supreme Court irathi gutua atiriri a panel area ya judges acio atatu Mugambi na Shwage, Mulema na Shwage yobirwo constitutional kana unconstitutional. No wafatie kumioba ni Martha Koome chief justice kana deputy chief justice Philomena Mwilu. Remember that day kana that time chief justice was still in Kenya, dari jawa bururi agiko hinya athite jawa bururi ni uhoro okay. So guys, rekere mungeria through nyamu ino tuone uria uthi na mbere, no riri igoti ryenyewe no riuge ni rekire mahitia. Supreme Court yenyewe na riuge ni gwekikira mahitia. Reke tuone mundu uyu uri advocate na uyu niguo teteria. By the way, Supreme Court ruling looms in Gachagua impeachment case. Okay, the Supreme Court is set to deliver a landmark ruling today in the impeachment case of former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua, who was removed from office in October 2024. At the heart of dispute is a constitutional question. Did Deputy Chief Justice Philomena Mwilu have the authority to empanel a three-judge High Court bench Justice Ogola, Anthony Mulema, and Fred Mugabi in the absence of Chief Justice Martha Koome? Ati Philomena Mwilu ni afatie komula majaji aya Martha Koome atariho, because Martha Koome is the Chief Justice. He was still in Kenya. Ni afatie kwamula majaji aya. Akedia makauga, the bench lifted court orders that had blocked the impeachment process, carrying the way for Gachagua's removal and the subsequent appointment of Kithure Kindiki as deputy president. Gachagua's legal team argues the bench was unlawfully constituted, rendering its decision unconstitutional. If the Supreme Court upholds the bench legality, the matter returns to the same judges for determination. Igoti kan Supreme Court ege uphold bench eo ati obiro ni Deputy Chief Justice legally ati bench ya jaji acio atatu Eric Ogola, Anthony Mulema na Fred Mugabi na Freda Mugabi nio mekwenderea na cira ucio wa Rigathi wa Gachagua. Supreme Court ya uphold. If it rules otherwise, the earlier decision could be nullified, potentially reopening the impeachment process. Ati judges muga terere adocio atatu kana bench yo biro unconstitutional kana illegally neko nullify matua maria matuire makuga nega basha wehere kidiki apisho and so on. So matua maria matuirwo ni judges aya, they will all be nullified na kuga terere potentially reopening the impeachment process. Ati impeachment process no ishokerwo riu ningi. All eyes are now at Supreme Court as it prepares to issue a ruling that could reshape Kenya's constitutional and political landscape. So what I'm asking myself is, ladies and gentlemen, tugetagira kesi ya Gutuithanio ni majaji na bemwe jaji kana Supreme Court na gwetekera kuga kwena mahitia mekikire o enyewe magika mahitia kile kile doria ni mekuga Mwilu ugo athire akenera panel ya jaji acio atatu na in absence of Chief Justice Martha Koome is constitutional. Remember, this thing kana odoyo wafatie kwanirelo ni Chief Justice ya mwenyewe because alikuwa around. Maybe unless alimurwaru, maybe na ndangehota kwanira kana unless maybe he was out of the country. Macio ni modona maudo maria mangituma Chief Justice akorwo ndangianiriire panel ino ahe Deputy Chief Justice kanyaga kwanirira. And if nimekuga terere jaji acio mobirwo unconstitutional, that means tugocoka to the drawing board. Impeachment process riu ukona constitutional crisis ugocoka wikarite. That means Kithure Kindiki ugutwika terere aikarire giti kiu illegally. And of course, aikarire at illegally. Yes, there is mahianire swearing in yedere. But still, manalify ni kwanania Kithure Kindiki still ugutwika aikarire yeti kiu Deputy President illegally. So guys, maiga mothe tumarete kule Supreme Court. Reke twete tuone uria ugwikara. Na ndamwira ndatheri hau. Ti matiguthi Gutuithanio horo impeachment kana impeachment ya illegal kana illegal. It's about the bench, the judges bench area yo biro ni mundu ugwitwo Mwilu. Anyway guys, nyereke thini wa conversation mwoni manyu niko jerai inyo murona atia muna wikarite atia na murona shira uyu ukweya mwerekera uriko. Anyway, kone quick podcast. Thank you guys, God bless you. Anyway, it is what it is, kwani iko nini. Thank you.